What's the meaning of bugaboo? Bugaboo. Bugaboo.
Bugaboo. Bugaboo. The word bugaboo refers to an object or situation that causes fear, worry, or annoyance. It can also refer to a problem or issue that is difficult to solve. The term is often used in a playful or light-hearted way to describe a simple inconvenience or a minor obstacle. However, it can also be used more seriously to describe a serious challenge or obstacle that is causing significant difficulty or stress. In general, the term bugaboo is used to describe any sort of problem or concern that is causing frustration, anxiety, or stress.